Friday is here, and the weekend ahead is looking nice in the weather department, excluding allergies and smoke. Otherwise, we're already starting to look ahead to next week. Let's take a look in this Friday edition of the Texas Weather Roundup. Good afternoon. It's Friday the 23rd of February 2024. I'm Texas Storm Chasers Builder-in-Chief David Reimer. Weather wasn't too bad today, so I elected to sleep in a bit. Let's go ahead and pop on over and take a look at what we're expecting over the next couple of days. First off, we'll take a look at fire weather conditions for today through the weekend. Today and tomorrow, we're expecting moderate to very high grass fire danger across the state, as demonstrated and outlined by the Texas A&M Forest Service. Things get a little more feisty by Sunday with a very high to locally extreme threat across portions of the Panhandle, West Texas, Permian Basin, higher terrain, Guadalupe, Davis Mountains, the Trans-Pecos Coast out into far West Texas, the borderland, and the Big Bend region. Those elevated to very high conditions will spread a bit further east on Monday and especially Tuesday. So we take a look at the high-res rapid refresh for the remainder of today, tonight, into Saturday, and even parts of Sunday. We're expecting no precipitation in the state of Texas. We'll see gusty afternoon winds. A lot of folks conducting controlled burns at this point, so some smoke may become prevalent as well. We're not expecting dense smoke, but it certainly is going to be noticeable at times, maybe some more colorful sunsets, and of course allergies. Well, we're all doomed in the allergy department. There's no getting around that. You can see some cloud cover tonight, tomorrow, not looking bad really, and that'll continue into Sunday with no precipitation expected this weekend across the state of Texas. Temperatures over the next several days, well, that's not that, but here we go for Saturday. Here are Saturday's high temperature forecasts for the state. We're expecting temperatures in the 70s to lower 80s. As we get into Sunday, things get warmer. We're expecting highs in the upper 70s to upper 80s, perhaps a 90-degree reading there or there, here or there, maybe would be a more applicable term. Monday, it's going to be toasty. Highs in the 90s, western half of Texas, 90 to 95 degrees likely. Eastern third of Texas, 80s. Far west Texas, 80s. Panhandle, 70s and 80s. Tuesday, the 90s get shifted a bit further south into the Rio Grande Plains, the Edwards Plateau, South Texas, but still going to be warm. 70s, 80s to middle 90s across the state of Texas. Wednesday, we're going to see our next cold front, and this one will have a little bit more oomph compared to yesterday's, so we're going to see temperatures get back down into the late February, early March range across the northwest half of Texas. Temperatures in the 40s and 50s, gusty northwest winds. Southeastern half of Texas still in the warm sector. Warmer temperatures, 70s and 80s. And with that next cold front, we're also going to see a chance for some thunderstorm activity. Here's the global forecast system. Isobars, you can see that area low pressure taking shape in Kansas, Missouri, setting up a winter storm across parts of the northern plains, Midwest. What that's going to do for us here in Texas is allow moisture to be drawn in from the Gulf of Mexico, and as a weak cool front moves in, well, weak, strong, whatever, it's not a super well-defined pressure gradient off this model, but we will see the chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms, perhaps for at least Texoma, the Arklatex, northeast Texas by Tuesday night through Wednesday and Thursday. This model actually keeps precipitation chances going on an isolated to scattered basis across the southeast half of Texas into Wednesday and Thursday of next week. We may see a few strong storms with this as well Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. That'll be something we watch for over the weekend and get into early next week. But again, for this weekend, picture perfect. We're not going to be dealing with any significant weather hazards in form of precipitation, no crazy strong winds. Fire danger, yes, we're going to have to watch for that, but otherwise, it's going to be a beautiful weekend. So enjoy it. We will. We'll be back by Monday morning with a new Texas Weather Roundup. Y'all make it a good weekend, and God bless.